Hello, today we are continuing from last video. Level 1, aka habitable zone. Level 1 is the second level of the back rooms and is one of the levels you can no clip to from the front rooms. Classified as survival difficulty 1. Level 1 resembles a warehouse. The level has constant supply of water and electricity. Full of supplies appear and disappear randomly. These supplies are food, almond water, batteries, tarps, weaponry, clothing, and medical supplies. On levels 1 are hounds, duelers, skin stealers, and facelings. Here on the wiki that the lights are prone to flicker. Groups are Meg, BNTG, Tom's Diner, and entrances are no clipping. You can leave the level by simply exploring. Also the sources are Backrooms Wiki.